Imagine a laboratory where every detail is under control, where precision isn't just a goal, but a daily reality. With QXLIMS, this vision comes to life. We've created a system that centralizes everything you need to manage your lab simply and effectively. QX-LIMS gives you the confidence of knowing that every sample is monitored with the utmost care. Every piece of data, every bit of information is always at your fingertips, ensuring complete traceability and giving you the peace of mind you need. With the Device Under Test (DUT) function, you can easily create and manage devices under test, ensuring that nothing escapes your control. The complete TRQ workflow streamlines the test request process, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, achieving outstanding results. The Skills Map helps you put the right person in the right place, improving the safety and efficiency of your lab. And thanks to the centralization of testing methods, you can be sure that every test is conducted consistently and in full compliance with the highest standards. Test methods are standardized and centralized, ensuring that every test is conducted consistently and in full compliance with the highest standards. And with test planning, you can meticulously schedule each test, guaranteeing that deadlines are met and resources are used optimally. QX-LIMS allows you to organize your activities better, dividing tasks among departments and stations and ensuring that every test is optimally scheduled with the test planning function. Integration with LabVIEW takes automation to a new level, making data acquisition and analysis faster and more reliable. And with multi-site support, you can easily manage labs spread across multiple locations while maintaining centralized oversight. But QX-LIMS goes beyond just management. With the integration of QXMan and QXGS, you can also handle asset maintenance and instrument calibration, all within a single system. QX-LIMS isn't just software, it's the partner that helps you elevate your lab to new levels of excellence. Trust QX-LIMS and discover how it can transform the way you work every day.